didn't understand that, that was Curious George, a cartoon character that we like, So the first thing I'm going to pull up, everybody, is this old thing from my favorite website, GeoGebra. All right, and this is going to show us, kind of give us a vertical thing. Excuse me, a visual, I meant to say, for our vertical angles. So, wait, where's the slider that I went? Oh, this is the slider. So we see that the angles are equal to each other that are across. Am I right?
Yeah.
Do we see that they're equal to each other? Do we see that they're equal to each other?
Yeah.
So on number 10, that's why we put the different sides equal to each other. Okay? So that's vertical. And then what is that, everybody?
Vertical.
What is it? Vertical. And again, you can see it here. The ones across from each other are, and the numbers are equal. What are they? Equal. Or does anybody remember the fancy geometry word? Starts with a C? Congruent. That's the fancy geometry word. Now the other part, this is going back, there we go, is this, which is what? What is it showing?
This is
What is it showing? Supplementary and complementary angles. So everybody's eyes up here, right? So quickly, so this is complementary, which adds up to what? 90. It's right here in the screen, right? Everything's right here. And supplementary adds up to 180. Now it might be upside down, it might be to the side, but this is how it works. So if you need to go back and practice some more of your quizzes, you can do that or just watch this video. It's free, right? To watch this video as many times as you want. It's free. All right, now there's some extra lines here that I removed for you, but they weren't removed on mine. So it really should look like that because there's these extra lines that we do not need. Thanks a lot, extra lines. And then this line we don't need either. And then there's another one. There's all these. See these? I don't know why the program makes it look like this. It really doesn't help. I mean, why would they do that? It's really strange, honestly. Well, I mean, you could do it for triangles, but it's a strange thing to do for 7th grade. All right, so y'all see that? So I tried to cross them out for you. Thanks, mister. Oh, you're welcome. No problem. All right. Okay, so let's hear it for our diary coming all the way from Beverly.
Okay, so like it's supplementary because it adds up to 180 degrees. And
right,
like,
just like that thing we just saw on the board, right?
Yeah.
So these add up to a straight line here. Okay, so how do we do the problem to find B?
180 minus 141.
Which we have to borrow. Boo, borrow. Boo, I don't like borrowing. Okay, and what do we get?
39.
39. Do we agree with that, everybody?
Yes.
Good. B equals 39. That was excellent. All right, now let's hear it. I need to find code name. The code name is Miss Money, coming all the way from Brazil because she likes money. Does that mean you're rich?
Yeah.
She's rich. Okay. All right. So number 2, how do we do that one?
So, since the angle is complementary.
Complementary. Now, what shows you there's something in there? I didn't tell you I was going to ask this. Sorry, but I know you know it. What in here, right, shows us that it's complementary? There's something in that picture, right?
The box?
Yeah, the red box. Good. See, I knew you knew that. So this little red square here always stands for 90. Or they could do it in words. They could say, this is a right angle, right? But if they don't have that box, just because it looks like that doesn't mean it actually is. It could be a little bit off, right? It could be like 91, right? Or 89, right? Okay, anyway, so this is a right angle, so complementary. So how do we do it?
So, we have to subtract 90 and 53.
Mm-hmm.
And we get 37.
And we have to borrow. Boo, borrow. And we get 37. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yay! That was excellent. Excellent, Miss Money. Alright. It might be my old microphone from before that you can't clap loud. I don't know. I don't know if this one you can clap loud, but we clap quietly so it doesn't mess up the mic. Alright, now we have spicy salsa coming from Mexico. I kind of like spicy stuff, actually. Who likes spicy food? Yeah? I like it kind of spicy, but not super. Who likes really spicy food? Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, this is like spicy food class. Okay, so here we go. So Mr. Spicy Salsa, go ahead.
So it's like vertical. So
What do you mean vertical?
because it has two equal sizes.
So you're saying, oh, pick a color. I forgot to
I
do
like
that earlier.
blue.
Blue. Okay. So you're saying, what do you mean by vertical?
That like is same shape.
Vertical angles are equal, right?
Yeah.
So what are you saying about these two angles? That they are
It's the same angles.
right. They are the same measure, and they are
Same vertical.
vertical to each other. Very good. Okay. You just kind of get up there and said the word vertical. So I want you. What we're saying is that these two angles are across, are vertical from each other. All right. So that means that B equals to
82.
82 because they're the same. All right. Let's hear it. All right. Our next person did not stand behind the other person. It's okay. All right. So let's hear it for Koi.
Yeah, I didn't understand one of your.
Where are you coming from, Koi?
I don't know.
San Francisco.
Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese. Coming all the way from Chuck E. Cheese. Koi. Is that like a koi fish? Is that a type
Yeah.
of fish? Oh, it's a koi fish. You're clapping. Much better. All right, number 4. What do you got? Now we've got 2 different names, angles and side names, right? Okay.
I forgot what's on my paper.
Oh, well then go get your paper. We'll wait. Yeah.
Scaling.
Scaling. Okay, now what is scaling? Is that for the angles or the sides?
Side. Yeah.
That's for the sides. Now that's very good. Now can you tell us how you can tell? There's a way you can tell from this.
Because of
side,
the
right?
marks.
Good. The
They're-
marks. What do they say? They say
1, 2,
two,
3.
Oops. I circled 3. 1, 2,
Two,
and 3,
three.
which means they're all
All different.
all different. Okay, good. So that means they're scaling. That's what scaling means. Excellent. And the other one?
Acute angles.
Acute. Because they're all
Acute.
smaller than 90. Like this one right here is the biggest one, and it's not even 90. Okay. Excellent job, Koi. Y'all are slow clappers today. That's okay. Now we've got Mr. Food. I guess you like food. Coming all the way from Paris. Italian food is amazing. All right, number 5. Go ahead, Mr. Food.
Alright, so like it's a isosceles
Isosceles. Now, how do you know it's isosceles?
because the 1, 1, and 2.
Very good. Isosceles. Okay, so I hope I spelled it right. I think I did. Okay, and we got 1, 1, and 2. All right, that means that. Hey, good morning. Okay, that means that
It's a
it's 2 are the same, so isosceles, and the angles are
obtuse.
obtuse. Okay, good. All right, we got to move quick now. We're starting to run out of time. Okay, next person is codename Chicago Pizza. Woo! That's good stuff right there. Not spicy though. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
It's an isosceles triangle
Right. Also isosceles because it's got 2
of the same size.
same size and
It's a right angle.
it's a right angle. So right triangle. Excellent. All right. So next one is Wise Guy. Come on, Wise Guy. Woo, Wise Guy. Okay, cool. And let's see. Yeah, we're running out of time. So give us the equation real quickly. Or you want to give us the answer first?
It's alright if I give this question.
Equation first, go.
8 over 88 equals 10 over x.
Very good. Small over big equals small over big. All right. Okay. And what's the answer? How big is x?
It's 11, right?
Hmm?
Wait, no. Not 11, 110. Right?
110. You're right, because it's 11 times bigger. Very good.
All right.
X is equal to 110. Or on this fraction, we would have to reduce, huh? Oh yeah. Oh man, I thought I made it so you didn't have to reduce. Ah. Well, I'm gonna reduce it quickly for you. Thought I made these so you didn't have to reduce. 8 over 88 we have to divide by 8. And we get 1 over 11. And then you would do 1 times 10. 11 times 10 equals x. X is gonna be 110. Alright. So let's move over. Go ahead. Your code name, I have to find it. It is plant person. Okay, go ahead.
What the equation is 3 over 36 equals 9 over x.
3 over 36, small over big, equals 9 over x. Good. And what's x?
X is 108.
108. Yep, that's right. It's 108. Because this is times 3 and times 3. Now you could do that by hand, like a long multiplication thing. Or you could also just do 12 times bigger? 12 times bigger, so times 12. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to try to finish this up really quickly. Alright, let's see. Quickly. Alright, so small over big, 32 over 4 is equal to small over big, 64 over x. Now this is 2 times bigger, right? Times 2, and this is also 2 times bigger, so this is 8. The answer is 8. And this is divided by 8, right? On the fraction, on the sizes. Alright, I have to see this on your paper, everybody. So this is an equation. We're setting up the left side equal to the right side, right? So these two things are equal because they're vertical. 5x plus 1. I'll put 5x plus 1 on the left side, although we could put it on the right side. Minus 1 minus 1. Oops, sorry. Superstar, co-star, extra, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to see this on everybody's paper. And then we divide by 5. How many people already had this done, by the way? Good. Okay. And we're done. Bye, YouTube. Bye, Curious George.